How to change X Twitter display name. Now, this is very easy. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can change or customize your X Twitter display name. But first, you've got to make sure that you're currently running the latest application from the X Twitter's version so that you will not miss out or encounter any bugs or crashes during the use of the app. So this is where you can actually update it. Just hit on update button if available. If not, then you're using the updated version. Now, of course, access your X Twitter and make sure that you are logged in into your X Twitter account. And from here, all you have to do is to locate your profile picture at the top left. Simply tap on that. And then in here, just go directly into profile. Now, right side of your profile picture, you should be able to see your current display name and as well as your username. Now choose on edit profile. And this is basically where you can change your name, your bio, location, website, date of birth. You can even switch to professional here. Now changing your display name is just on the first field. Simply type in your preferred one and then hit on save once done. And that's it. That's how you change your X Twitter display name.